Hello and welcome to Mr. Wiley Teaches Math. Today we're going to talk about scientific notation with small numbers. In science, we often come across very small numbers, like what is the mass of a proton or an electron. There needs to be a way to write that without having a whole lot of zeros in the answer. So if we start with 0.034, we're going to write this in scientific notation. It's going to look like one significant digit, 3.4, times 10 to the, how many places did we shift it over? 1, 2, negative 2. And it's negative because we shifted it to the right 2 places. Remember from the last video we were shifting it to the left and it was a positive number. So I look at this next one, I'm going to have one significant digit, 8, and anything else that after is going to be a 2, times 10 to the, how many times did I shift it over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to the negative 5, to the right direction. Let's just change this one slightly, add another significant number on. So if I have 9.73 times 10 to the negative 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4. In this case, there's only one significant digit, so it's going to be 3 times 10 to the negative, I have to count how many times I went over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's 3 times 10 to the negative 11 scientific notation, which is a much cleaner way to write it than that big long 0.00000000003. Sometimes we have to write a number that's already in standard form, in scientific notation in standard form. So we know it's going to be significant digits of 8 and a 2, and it's going to be some zeros in front of that. So I'm just going to start with writing a few zeros down, and my significant digits of 8 and 2. I know I have to move it 4 places towards the left, so starting here, I'm going to move it 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 0.00082. Alright, 6.25 times 10 to the negative 6. So I'm going to start with writing some zeros down. And then my significant digit, 625. I know I have to move it 6 places from its starting point between the 6 and the 2, the decimal. So I can move it 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I end up with an answer of 0.12345, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 5. So 2.01 times 10 to the negative 8. So I know my significant digits are going to be 201. And I'm going to have a whole bunch of zeros in front. 201. And I need to move it 8 places, the decimal 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's my answer in standard form. In this case, I just have a 9. So it's going to be 0.000. So I'm going to start with that. And I'm going to have a 9 on the end. I have to move it 5 places to the left, the decimal. So the decimal was here. Started here, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0.00009. So scientific notation for writing really small numbers in a form that is a much easier and cleaner way to write it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the class website for additional examples, the handouts, and assignments.